Enter 1990 ceiling fan. It's a really cool ceiling fan because it's antique and it's really plain, really nice, even kind of. It has 4 blades. It has a flush mount and it has a short one. It also has its features are really not what you expect. It's one of those construction ceiling fans that you might have saw in the 90s. It's in a store that sells many CDs and stuff and producing from old times. So this is a perfect one, what I'd call. It's a perfect ceiling fan, and it's really amazing. Thank you for seeing this. And there's not really that much to explain about the ceiling fan, and although it's working from the 90s, and so really, bye.